It's Tony the Young Mechanic. Hi, Tony.
Hi, kids.
Do you know these construction vehicles' names?
Yes, I know them.
Help us to learn them, please.
I will gladly help.
What are those? Wow, these are stickers. And this is a sticker album. So let's stick the collection. 1. What is it?
Excavator with jackhammer.
2.
Road roller.
3.
Dump truck.
4.
Crawler excavator.
5.
Concrete mixer truck.
6.
Air drill excavator.
7.
Forklift.
8.
Front loader.
9.
Bulldozer.
Thank you, Tony. See you. Well, choose the next video. Press on the picture. Subscribe to the 4 Kids channel.